Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 to present about environmental issues at substation. Then meet my team, which myself is Muhammad Faris bin Oliki, then Firdaus bin Mazlan or Faisal. Next is Muhammad Hazmi bin Zainuddin, and lastly Muhammad Ikram bin Muhammad Halil. Then for the component profile, the supercritical coal-fired Tanjung Bin Energy Power Station, commonly referred to as T4, is situated in Johor, Malaysia. The 2,100 mW Tanjung Bin power plant, now in operation near Malakoff, is expanded by the 1,000 million watt unit. The two plants share the seawater intake, power evacuation, coal handling facilities, and other access infrastructure. Situated in Pontian, Johor, Malaysia, this power plant is believed to have cost 7.1 billion ringgit Malaysia in total. In 2006, saw the opening of Tanjung Bin Power Plant, which used pulverized coal, both bituminous and sub-bituminous, at its primary fuel. Then, introduction. Substation serves a link connecting two or more transmission and or distribution line, acting as an integral part of the electrical grid. Its function involves various tasks which are not universally performed by every substation. These tasks include voltage conversion from one level to another, adjusting voltage in response to fluctuation in system voltage, facilitating circuit switch and operation for both transmission and distribution within the grid system. Next is a problem statement. The project aims to investigate and assess environmental issues and their impact on the surrounding inhabitants and ecosystems of Tanjung Bin, Johor, Malaysia. The problem statement relates to how the size, geography, land cover, and current land usage of the chosen site will affect the construction and operation of a new electric substation. While some effects are transient, the majority of the effects on the environment and community are long-lasting. The site's land cover is permanently altered as a result of the massive excavation and land clearing that is necessary for the substation foundation. A permanent access road is also required to enable ongoing upkeep and observation. Stormwater retention ponds, berms, extra transmission structure built outside of the enclosed area, and other landscape modification could be necessary for larger substations. For the objective, first, do a thorough evaluation of the substation operations, present environmental impact, including areas of concern such as resource consumption, pollution, and disturbance of habitats. Second, to optimize power consumption, lower greenhouse gas emission, and enhance overall energy efficiency in substation operations. Include energy saving practice and innovations. Third, to achieve to move towards greener and more sustainable power producing techniques, look into ways to include renewable energy sources into the substation architecture. Then lastly, to consider the techniques to reduce noise pollution caused by substation operations and deal with the aesthetic effects, making sure that they blend well with the surrounding environment, sounds, and visual elements.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azmi Badruddin. My matric number is CE230087. Today I will present about the infographic about the environment issue. First, we got the air pollution. Power plant often release pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, particulate matter, and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This emission can contribute to smoke formation, acid rain, and climate change. Next, water usage and thermal pollution. Power plant typically require large amount of water for cooling purpose. Withdrawal of water from nearby water bodies and subsequent discharge at higher temperature can negatively impact aquatic ecosystem. Number 3 is waste generation and disposal. Power plant generate various types of waste, including fish ash, bottom ash, and other combustion byproducts. Improper disposal of this waste can lead to soil and water contamination. Last is habitat disruption and land use. The construction and operation of power plant may result in habitat destruction and land use change. This can lead to the displacement of local flora and fauna, affecting biodiversity. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ikram Mu'alil, DE220181. Proposed solution for environmental issues. The first one is change to sustainable energy source. By reducing the plant's carbon footprint significantly, this change will support a greener and more sustainable method of producing electricity. The second one is improve reporting and monitoring of the environment. Better reporting and monitoring will give real-time information about the impact on environment, enabling proactive steps to quickly resolve problem and foster stakeholder trust. The third one is participation of the community and environmental education. This is to increase the public understanding of environmental issue. Number four is restoration and preservation of the ecosystem. This initiative will boost biodiversity, aid in ecosystem restoration, and improve the region general environmental health. And lastly, make an energy efficiency investment. This is to saving money, lessening environmental effect, and enhancing overall operation. Sustainable are all possible with increased energy efficiency. We have done the discussion as the infographic shows the main environmental problem at the Tanjung Bin power plant substation are energy waste, poor waste management, and pollution of the water and air. These difficulties are indicative of a large problem in the energy industry rather than being specified to Tanjung Bin. The first one is by switching to renewable energy source like solar or wind power, the plant may lessen its need on coal, which will cut air population and carbon emission. The second one is waste and operating expensive can be decreased by implementing cutting edge and energy efficiency technology in operation. Lastly, to reduce land and water contamination, waste management system must be improved, particularly for coal ash and chemical runoff.
Okay, so the conclusion for this project is taking care of the substation environmental problems offer critical potential for improvement and needs to be done right now. Substation can have a minimal negative environmental impact if they use renewable energy source, improve waste management procedures, and use eco-friendly technologies. Reducing resource usage and emission can also be achieved by implementing predictive maintenance technique and sophisticated monitoring systems. A comprehensive approach that integrates a sustainable practice into substation design and operation is essential for promoting environmental responsibility, ensuring long-term resilience, and fostering a cleaner energy infrastructure for the benefit of both present and future generations.